Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of June's Fare. Today I'm going to be doing the Copycat Mac and Cheese, so sit back and enjoy. I'm going to start by adding my macaroni to some boiling chicken broth. Then I'm going to give that a nice stir and then leave it to cook for about 7 minutes. While that cooks, I'm going to start on my custard. I'm going to start my custard by cracking 3 eggs into this bowl. Once I've added my eggs, I'm going to go in with my milk and my heavy cream. I'm going to start with my milk here. And guys, this is a copycat recipe, so I'm not going to leave what I used in the description. Instead, I'll just leave a link to the page I got the recipe from. Then I'm going to go in with my heavy cream. Then I'm going to give that a really good whisk. What I didn't do that the recipe did was season my custard. But that's because that's the way I preferred it. So you can customize this recipe to your liking. Alright, now let's get started. So we're going to add our cooked macaroni to this bowl. And then we're going to throw in a few pieces of cut butter. So I added about 5 tablespoons, not a whole stick. Stir in your butter, and then you're going to season your macaroni to your liking. I added some paprika, some onion powder, some garlic powder, some salt. Here I'm adding the salt. And now I'm going in with my cheeses. I did not grate any cheese myself. I took the easy way out and went to Sprouts and got some shredded cheese. So here I'm adding my mozzarella. Then I'm going to go in with my, I think this was cheddar jack. Yep, cheddar jack. And then I'm going to give that a good stir. And then I'm going to start assembling my macaroni and cheese. I didn't actually go in with those seasonings all at once, so here is where I'm adding my garlic powder. So give that a good mix. Alright, now we're ready to start assembling after we add in. I did a good squirt of mayo and then about 2 forks of sour cream. Now I've seen the recipe with just Miracle Whip or mayonnaise or just sour cream, but I decided to do a little bit of both just to see how I like it. All right, once you get that mix, then we're ready to check the oven and assemble. All right, so I didn't have a cast iron skillet, so I'm using a buttered baking dish. I'm gonna start by layering in some mac and cheese. Then I'm going to top that with some cheddar jack and mozzarella. Not too much. And then I'm going to pour over about a cup and maybe a cup and a half of that custard that we made. And then we're gonna repeat. Add in another layer of your macaroni. Add some cheese to the top. Pour on some of your custard. Repeat until everything's gone. Yes, I did eat that macaroni. Do not judge me. Alright, and then finish with whatever cheese you have left. Pour on some more custard. Then sprinkle on you some paprika. And pop that into a preheated oven and bake it for about 45 minutes to an hour, and bam, look at that. And it tasted as good as it looks.